Hey guys, today in my kitchen I am making a resurgence dessert. It's Ina Garten's brownie pudding. So whether you love brownies or just love chocolate like I do, this recipe is to impress. Stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen and let's see what I'm baking. You will need 2 sticks of butter plus a little extra for buttering your dish. 4 extra large eggs, or in my case I'm using 5 large, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, flour, and sugar. So let's get started, shall we? To start off with, we are going to take 2 sticks of butter, or about a cup of butter, and we're going to melt it completely in the microwave. And now with a little bit of butter, you don't need much. We are simply going to butter our baking dish with plenty, but just a little bit of butter till it's nicely coated. And you want to be sure to get into all the corners, just so that nothing sticks there. Now let's get our oven preheating to 325 Fahrenheit. And now that our melted butter is done, we are simply just going to set it aside to cool for a little bit. And now to a mixer, we are going to add 2 cups of sugar. And all of our extra large or large eggs. Again, if you're using extra large, you only need 4. And if you have large, I'm going to do 5, just to kind of even things out. For our egg and sugar mixture, we are going to beat this for 5 to 10 minutes until it turns a pale color on medium speed. I'll see you back here in a second. Now to a sifter, I happen to have this, and I do have an actual sifter, but I really like using this in particular. I am going to add half a cup of flour and about 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, like so. And I am just going to sift those in to get out all the chunks. You can see, if I bring you in closer, all the chunks that happen to be in there. And now that that is done, let's see. Oh yeah, getting a nice ribbon down there. That is the ribbon that I got. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Now, since I don't have vanilla beans, I'm just going to add a really small amount of vanilla extract, which I made with vanilla beans, but I don't feel like digging one out. And now we'll add our cocoa and flour mixture to this, just like so. And now we are simply just going to lower this. We're going to start it on a slow speed until the flour and cocoa mixes into the wet mixture a bit. And then we can turn it up a bit. And I am just going to slowly add in our butter that is now cool. And I am just mixing it until it comes together. I'll zoom in on this for you, but this is what the brownie pudding mixture will look like once it's combined. Let's get a nice pour close up on that. So we'll simply just start from a height. Oh yeah. Look at that. That looks amazing. Now let's smooth that out, just till it's a nice evenish layer. Oh, this looks so good. You have no idea how excited I am for this. Oh, yeah. So the secret to this recipe is to have a pan that you can set this 9x12 in. If I didn't mention it's a 9x12 pan, I'll include that at the beginning of the video in lettering. But you want essentially this to fit into a pan like this. And then we're simply just gonna fill it until it comes up about an inch. We'll see. Let's see if that'll be good. That might be a bit too much actually, so I'm gonna dump some of this out. And just be sure to slowly put it in so that you know where your water lines are. That looks good because it comes up about halfway on the inner baking sheet. I'll show you what I mean in a second. So essentially it comes halfway off this particular pan and not this one. You want it to come halfway up this one to clarify. So now that our oven is preheated to 325, we want to very carefully, because this is precious, and without getting any water in your brownie, we want to very carefully set it into our oven just so that it doesn't spill any water into the brownie, and we're going to bake this for 1 hour. And now that it is out of the oven, you're gonna wanna take it out of the water immediately. Like so. And your brownie pudding should come out about 3/4 of the way with the batter on it, if you can see that. And that's okay because it's meant to be a bit underbaked. Now, very important, let this cool and then you can serve it with either some whipped cream, ice cream, or just have the chocolate brownie itself. I'll try it for you as soon as that happens. And now that this is cooled enough, I'm just gonna serve up myself a bit of it. Oh yeah, that center looks nice. And I will let you know what I think after this. Let's get down on its level, eh? It looks like there's a nice crisp to the top, and then the center, or bottom in this case, is nice and creamy. Let's see if it is. Exactly as I described it. It is so good. And there you have it. If you want to make this, the recipe can be found on thefoodnetwork.com just by searching Ina Garten's brownie pudding. It is so good. I highly recommend you go make this. And until next time, a banana. I am gonna eat this entire thing. Hey guys, I just opened a Buy Me a Coffee page. I'll have the QR code here in a second for you to donate. But for every donation for now, 20% will be going to Food Banks Canada for the year of 2026. And then in 2027, I'll be picking a new charity to support. On top of that, as soon as I get my first moderator, the charity amount will go down to 10% of my profits and another 10% for helping my mods with any expenses that they may have, whether it's gifts for them as appreciation or even just helping them out with medical bills or whatever they need. That's how I'm gonna kind of split it up. So if you want to support me, just scan this QR code now.